Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to show how to use icons in tabbed applications. So right now we have an application and we're just using the default icons that came with the template from Xcode, and they aren't too impressive. So we want to figure out how to improve that. First thing we have to do is figure out exactly how big these icons should be. For that, we are going to wander over to Apple's Human Interface Guidelines and just read. And the size of the icons depends upon whether or not they're going to be circular or square. It depends on whether or not the tab bars are going to be regular or compact. This will depend upon the size of the device. If we're working with an iPhone in portrait mode, then 36 by 36 looks like the right size. To know how big an icon we want, we have to go find one. I recommend using icons8.com. That seems to be a good place to go. You can just go there. You can maybe restrict your search to iOS and just put in resistor or whatever you want to search for. When you do that, so for instance, here's one resistor, here's another, and again, you have quite a few choices here. I'm just going to stick with this resistor. You have a choice of the kind of file you want to download, PNG, SVG, etc., and the size. And basically, if you don't like the size that's displayed there, you can put in your own. So again, since we had said that we were going to go with 36 by 36, let's go ahead and do that. We will say custom 36. And we can also download multiple sizes. We can also change the color of the thing, so you can just recolor the icon if you feel so inclined. I'm just going to stick with black for right now. And we've got 36. I click on download. There's my icon, and there's the file in my downloads folder. In order to get this into Xcode then, I want to go to export to the Xcode's assets folder, and I simply drag this in. And now it's available wherever I need it. Where I do need it is Storyboard. I go to Storyboard, I click down here in the tab to make sure that I've selected the tab bar item. And then under Image for the bar item where it says First, I choose instead my resistor. And then if I go ahead and rerun the app, our app should look a lot more impressive. Maybe it's a little bit big at this point. You can experiment with it, experiment with different sizes, but the final, in the final analysis, you always have to look at this on a device to see what it looks like. Fortunately, you've got iPads and you can use them. Any questions? Drop by during office hours, go to a help session, or use Google. Thanks for watching.